Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new account and sign up for BankWest. Before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let us begin. First of all, you will need to open up your web browser, so go ahead and open it up, and then in the address bar type in bankwest.com.au and press enter. This will take you into the official website of BankWest. Now go ahead and click on Bank and Save. Click on your desired account and then click on the Learn More button for the account that you choose. Now you will be able to see the Apply Now button. Go ahead and click on it and then choose whether you're an existing customer or a new one. Click on the Apply Online button and then you will be asked to agree with a license agreement. Go ahead and click on the box which says I understand and agree. Then go ahead and verify your identity by clicking on I'm not a robot. Now you can click on the Start button to start entering your credentials. This includes many of your private information. After doing so, you will be allowed to set up your login credentials, including your access code, as well as your password or your PIN. And that is how you can sign up to create a new account on BankWest. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.